Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how we can calculate mean, median, mode, and standard deviation using Microsoft Excel. Here I have markers for 50 students. I just want to show you how we can calculate mean, median, mode, and standard deviation. Let's do it. For mean, just from here, equal sign, average, this one. Select this one, and we have to select the range of the data. That is the range of the data. For mathematics, we have different subjects. For mathematics, this one, come to here. C2 for C51. Close the bracket and enter. That is the mean. Mean is 72.84. About median, select the cell equal sign, median. Yes, this one. Click it. And you can just write C2 to C51. Close bracket, enter. That is a median. They are slightly different. 72.5. About mode, just write equal sign, mode. Here we have different modes. Mode MLT, you can read the explanation here. Mode SNL, returns the most frequently occurring or repeated value in array or a range of data. That's what I want. Here also mode, there is explanation, but this one is most important for me. Select this one, double click on it. Again, you can select the range in this way, or you can just type it. C2, C51, C51, close the bracket, enter. That is the mode, most repetitive value. Standard deviation, equal sign, standard deviation. Yes, STD. We have standard deviation for population. Here for standard deviation for sample, we have different values. Just select standard deviation for sample, for example, S, and C2. That is the range. C51. You see, it selects all the range we want. Just enter. That is the standard deviation. Now, if you want to apply for the other cells, just, for example, you can drag this one. Select the cell and drag to here. Directly, it finds the mean for the other cells. If you want to do it for all at once, select all and bring it to here. You can find the standard deviation, mode, median for all the cells. You see, just the range is changed according to the data we have. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe. Have a nice day.